Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add profile picture on your Twitter account. First, open your Twitter app and go to your profile. Click on the left top corner on the circle and click profile. Now open your Twitter profile and tap setup profile right top and click on the small circle profile picture to change it yourself. Click here and choose one from your photo gallery, phone gallery. Now and crop your picture and click apply. Both options will let you lightly editing, crop and adjustment to picture before it because your profile picture. So it does not have to be a perfect immediately. Then click done, the right top corner, and click next. Now people who visit your profile will see it. Show your style. If you not upload your cover photo, then click upload and choose your cover picture from your phone gallery. But I skip for now, and skip for now. Now and see your profile. Now your Twitter profile picture updated. Like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.